Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you about a new product that I just tried. It's by Sally Hansen. They make all types of beauty products, hair removers. They make like a spray where you could spray your legs and get them to be tanner. They have all kinds of the press-on nails, the glue, all kinds of nail design, stuff like that. Nail tools. So this is Sally Hansen Creme Hair Remover for Face Duo Kit. I haven't purchased this one yet. This is my first time using it. I did purchase a similar product not that long ago, and it was like a brush-on hair remover. It came with a little brush. It was a white bottle tube, and then you just screw off the top, and they have a little brush inside, so you could brush it on your face and leave it on for a few minutes and it removes the hair. So this is kind of similar, however it's a little bit different because this has like avocado and manuka honey, and it comes in a tube like this, so it has a completely different look. So this is Sally Hansen Creme Hair Remover for Face. It has fresh scent technology, removes hair in minutes, and its extra moisturizing formula leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. It's now infused with manuka honey and avocado oil. It is Dermatologist Tested and Salon Tested. It's a hair removal cream plus a moisturizing lotion. The cream hair remover is net weight 2.0 ounces or 56.7 grams. The extra smooth lotion is 0.54 ounces or 14.7 milliliters. And it comes with instructions inside. On the side here, it says always patch test before first use. See instructions inside. Important. Read enclosed directions and cautions carefully before proceeding. Do not use if you suffer from any medical condition that may be affected by compromised skin. Consult a physician before use if you suffer from any skin-related disorder. Not for use on eyes or eyebrows. For external use only. Keep out of reach of children. Cream hair remover ingredients are aqua, water, paraffinum, butyrum, mineral oil, huile mineral, calcium hydroxide, calcium thioglycolate hydroxide, cetearyl alcohol, stearyl alcohol, sodium silicate, perfume fragrance, stearin 30, setit 10, a bunch of things that are hard to pronounce, so I won't go crazy, but it's potassium sorbate, citric acid, chamomilla, ricutia, flower extract, serenea, fruit extract, some leaf juice, so on and so forth. Then it has extra smooth skin conditioning lotion, which is the aftercare, some aqua, pomade, parfenium, liquidum, mineral oil, so on and so forth, made in the USA. Flip over to the back side of the box. It says easily remove unwanted facial hair in minutes. New extra moisturizing formula infused with a blend of manuka honey and avocado oil leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Helps slow the appearance of hair regrowth. It's dermatologist and salon tested and ideal for application on face, above upper lip, and chin. The complete kit includes the cream hair remover for face, an extra smooth aftercare lotion, and it's a white cream, which you can see pictured to the right. Cream hair remover, aftercare, extra skin conditioning lotion. Products shown are not actual size, obviously, because they're not that small. 2 easy steps, the cream hair remover, and then the extra smooth aftercare lotion. So it just basically is like a squeeze tube. I'll squeeze them out so you guys can see. That's the consistency of it. Give it a little shake before you start using it because mine happened to come out extremely watery, and it was just like I had to put like 2 coats on, if that made sense. It was just too watery. I don't know why it was that way, but yeah, so just make sure you give it a little shake before using. And then on the back here, instructions, test before each use as directed in leaflet, wait 24 hours. If no redness or irritation develops, proceed as instructed. If irritation occurs, seek professional assistance. Do not use on breast, nipples, or other sensitive areas, or in the nose or ears, on cuts, or on irritated, inflamed, chapped, sunburned skin, over moles or warts, or on recently tweezed or shaved areas. Yeah, this is not good for coarse hair either. This needs to be on like light hair. Do not use this on like your eyebrows or something like that. As with all depilatories, product may damage bath accessories. Yes, and towels. It like stained my towels. Like like as if there was bleach in it, it turned them like pink. So do not use this on a towel. Remove with like a soft tissue or a paper towel. Consult a doctor before use if you suffer from any skin-related disorder, circulatory issues, or diabetes. Do not use on compromised skin or when undergoing glycolic acid or other dermatological treatments for external use only. Yeah, don't use this either if you're going to do like a microdermabrasion or something like that. Made in the USA, fabric, oh, so that's a different language. Distributed in New York. There's one, I guess, in Paris, France, a distributor, and then there's one New York, New York. There's a number you could call if you have any questions. USA, Canada only. 54 milliliters for this tube. And then this is the aftercare, extra smooth aftercare lotion. You guys can see the consistency of this as well. If it doesn't remove all my hairs, I just usually will, oh, this you have to shake too because it's going to be watery. Not too watery, but it's very thin. Definitely shake up both products before using it, because who knows when it was like, you know, delivered to, if you're getting it shipped to your house or to the drugstore, whatever, you want to just make sure it's, you know, nice and thick. And I think it helps work better when you have a thick consistency. So just, yeah, just give it a little shake on both products. And the aftercare lotion, you know, neither one of these products really, you could smell them, but they don't have like a heavy smell or anything like that. They're pretty light, which is nice and easy to use. So I hope you guys found this video useful. This was Sally Hansen Cream Hair Remover Duo Kit for face. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I hope you try it out and love it. Thanks for watching.